Check out this 2021 Jeep Cherokee. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on the chance to drive a rugged SUV that's designed with passenger comfort in mind. Drive the Cherokee.